Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mohammad Shad Khan and welcome back to our YouTube channel Sheikh Anwar Accounting and Auditing LLC. If you are a business owner or a financial manager in the UAE, you have probably heard of VAT and its complexities. Today, we are diving into a specific aspects of VAT that could significantly impact your businesses. Article 14 of UAE VAT law, which deals with tax grouping. In this video, we will discuss what is tax group, key aspects of tax group, benefit of forming VAT group and how to form a VAT group. So let's break it down. Under the UAE VAT system, which is governed by Federal Decree Law number 8 of 2017 and its amendments, Article 14 introduced a concept called tax grouping. This provisions allows multiple entities to come together and form a single tax group for VAT purpose. But how does this work and what are the benefits? Let's find out. First off, what exactly is tax grouping? In simple terms, tax grouping lets several legal entities operate a single VAT entity. This means they can share a single VAT registration number and file one VAT return for the entire group. Here's a step-by-step look at how this process works. Key aspects of Article 14. Eligibility criteria. To form a tax group, entities must meet specific criteria. They need to be established in the UAE and must be under common control. This usually means that one entity has a controlling interest in the others of their parent subsidiary relationship. Group registration. Once eligible, you need to apply for the Federal Tax Authority or the FTA for the tax grouping. Upon approval, your group will get a single VAT registration number and all members of the group will be treated as one taxable person. Intra-group transactions. One of the key benefits is that transactions between group members are generally not subject to VAT. This simplifies internal accounting and reduces VAT costs on transfers within the group. This means no VAT is charged when the transactions are made between the group companies. Centralized responsibility. The tax group will have a representative member who is responsible for all VAT related obligations. This means that instead of each entity handling its own VAT matters, there is one central point of contact for the FTA. Single VAT return. With the tax group, you only need to file one VAT return for the entire group. This reduces the complexity of reporting and can save a lot of time and efforts. Now, let's talk about the benefits of forming a VAT group. Simplified VAT Administration. With a single registration and return, managing VAT becomes much more streamlined. You will deal with fewer forms and less paperwork. Reduced VAT costs. Eliminating VAT on inter-group transactions can lower your overall VAT expenses and improves your cash flow. Enhanced control. Having one representative member handling VAT responsibilities means better oversight and less room for the error. Improved financial reporting. Consolidating VAT reporting can give you a clear view of your group's VAT position and simplify audits. Flexibility in structuring transaction. Tax grouping can offer great flexibility in structuring internal transactions and managing intra-group transactions. Now let's talk about how to actually form a VAT group. Assess eligibility. First, make sure all entities involved meet the eligibility criteria. They must be closely related in terms of economic, financial and organizational ties. That means the entity should be in common control and check if the entities are already VAT registered. If they are not, they must be registered before forming a VAT group. Submit application. Next, you need to submit an application to the Federal Tax Authority to form a VAT group. This application will include details about the entities involved and how they meet the criteria. Review process. The FTA will review your application, ensure it meets all legal requirements. They may request additional information or documents. Approval and registration. Once approved, the FTA will issue a single VAT registration number for the group. You will then need to update your records and VAT reporting procedures to reflect this new structure. Ongoing compliance. After forming the VAT group, ensure ongoing compliance with VAT regulations. This includes submitting consolidated VAT returns and making intra-group transactions properly. However, there are some challenges to consider. The representative member bears the full responsibility for the compliance, and internal disputes between the group members could arise. It's crucial to have clear agreement and efficient internal process. So there you have it. It's a detailed look at Article 14 of UAE VAT law and the benefits of forming the VAT group. If you are considering this option for your business, make sure to consult with the tax professionals to ensure it's right fit for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the VAT and other important businesses topic. And if you have any question or need further clarification, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.